So hey guys, finally Motorola has introduced the Edge 30 series globally, which was released in China a few weeks ago. This series includes the Edge 30 Ultra, Edge 30 Fusion and Edge 30 Neo. The Edge 30 Neo is what I'm excited about. It has super features and a low price. The Edge 30 Neo is a new member of the Edge family, aiming to offer the same appealing design as its Edge 30 Fusion and Edge 30 Ultra brothers, but at a significantly low price. With the Neo, Motorola put a lot of emphasis on color, collaborating with Pantone, a brand known for its precision and consistency. There is a Pantone chip inlay on the back of the Motorola Edge for each of the available color options. Motorola says that this inlay is invisible, but we beg for differ. Furthermore, unlike the Edge 30 Fusion and Ultra, the Edge 30 Neo's back panel is made of plastic. Nonetheless, unlike the other of the lesser Moto G series, it feels like high quality plastic. Now let's speak about the features it has. Discussing the design, because the frame is made of plastic, it is easily damaged and must be protected. However, because it is made of plastic, the phone is pretty light in hand and comfortable to grip due to its thin profile. It is also quite compact. Much like its siblings, the display is one of the Edge 30 Neo's strongest feature. It is a 6.28-inch POLED display and comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Edge 30 Neo comes with the two cameras on the back and a selfie camera. On the back, you will find a 64-megapixel main snapper with optical image stabilization and pixel binning, which helps achieve better low-light shots by combining multiple pixels into one to capture more light. The Edge 30 Neo features the Snapdragon 695 5G CPU from Qualcomm, which is the same one found in the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. It should be sufficient for routine web browsing and other tasks, as well as playing modest games from time to time. The Neo has a 4020 mAh battery. Using a wired cable, charging takes 68 watt, and using wireless charging it takes 5 watt. Even though this is a cheaper model, the turbo power 68 watt charger is included right out of the box, so you don't need to buy one yourself. Coming to the main topic, the pricing of this phone, the Motorola Edge 30 Neo will start at €369 in Europe, which is reasonable given its features. So what do you think about this Edge 30 Neo? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.